Hey guys, good morning. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay here, and in this video we're just gonna do a little day in our life type thing. So I'm already up, I'm dressed for the day. The kids are already dressed and ready for the day. I'm about to make some breakfast for them and then get ready for school. So I did make pre-made some waffles from yesterday, and I have them in the freezer. So I'm gonna take a couple, put them in the air fryer, let them toast up a bit, and I'm just gonna do some scrambled eggs and some sausage and a side of fruit, and that's gonna be breakfast. For me, telling them about my weight loss journey, I've been eating the Ezekiel bread, and this has to be kept in the freezer, so I'm gonna warm that up in the air fryer also. Hey guys, in this video we're just gonna vibe today, nothing crazy. We'll just see how the day goes. I don't have anything specific planned. So before we get any further, just go ahead, subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up and a friendly comment. So I already have some of the waffles in the air fryer. Just gonna start that up. And then we're going to do the scrambled egg right now. Put a little bit of salt. Breakfast is served. This is baby girl's plate. What you got there, mama? Baby girl got some scrambled eggs, some oranges and waffles. Javon already munching. You got 2 waffles, eggs, sausages and oranges. And this is mommy's plate. I did scrambled eggs with some sardine, 2 slices of the Ezekiel bread, and that's what I'm having. Jalen, alright, mama, alright. Belly hurt? Mouth hurt? Your teeth? Maybe your teeth, you know? Open. Maybe you just need a teeth. You get more teeth? You get more teeth in that mouth? Come here, you mommy people. Alright, eat up your treat, girl. Yeah, eat up your din. I mean your brekkie. Eat up brekkie. Eat up your brekkie, mama. So give me some ketchup on this. Guys, I have a very miserable, cranky baby. Now you miserable, yeah, love. This girl, as you put her down, she keeps crying. But I totally forgot that I did bake 2 loaves of bread last night, so I need to slice them up and put them up in bags before them dry out. I want to keep them moist. So I'm going to slice these up, and I'm making you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch.
Mommy?
Yes?
What about tell the guys that this is my Twinkie is broken.
Guys, your slinky is broken. Oh no. It can't go back up. It's because you stretched it too much. It passed its elastic limit. What's that, guys? Hooke's Law? Sorry, buddy. But you can still stretch it and play with it, though. You want peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch?
Yeah.
Alright, go finish eating your orange juice and your breakfast.
You
I'm gonna slice up these bread.
Juice?
Huh?
You mean drink orange juice? Because you don't eat orange juice.
I said finish drinking your orange juice and eat your breakfast. That's what I said. Anyways, let's slice up this bread. And somebody I will get put down. So, I don't really know how we are going to do this, Jalen. Here. Bro, I can't cut bread. I can't slice bread to save my life, but I'm gonna do my best. This is how it's looking. They're kind of small. They didn't rise as much as I wanted to. Maybe because I use instant yeast and I usually use the active dry yeast, the one we have to activate. So this bread kind of flat. I don't like that. I like fluffy bread. But whatever. As long as it tastes good. So we're gonna slice that up.
Burger.
Ooh. Alright, not too bad. This is how my bread is looking. Nice and soft.
That bread looks thin because it's puffed up.
Fluffy bread.
Yeah.
Taste it. Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Tastes yummy.
Now we need to find the bread bag then. Child. See guys, I'm not telling you, I can barely get anything done.
Please, will you drink it? Mom, she won't drink it.
It seems like it's empty. Oh, she only has a little bit left. Maybe she doesn't want any more. Here, you want bread? Here.
Let's see.
Here, not that's such a big piece. I want to choke it out. Bread. Bread. Mommy baked bread. You want this one?
Mom, I want the peanut sandwich.
Yeah, I'll cut the other one.
Oh, good.
Homemade peanut butter jelly sandwich. Cheddar popcorners. Oh, look at my ink. Go-gurt. Juice box. And then I'm just gonna fill up his water bottle. Oops. Lunch is ready.
Because I swapped her grandma and she didn't want me to fix it, so she fixed it by herself. And I get this. The camera, so she didn't want me to fix it, then I got this. I said I get this.
Come, Mama. Come, let me fix your hair real quick. Hey guys, sorry for that abrupt end earlier. My battery died and then I got caught up. Took Javon to school, came back home. Jalen and I took a nap, picked him up, and now I'm at my parents' house because Javon wanted to play with my little sister. So we're here now. And I thought it was a good opportunity to get a little break. Because guess what? My dad is in the kitchen cooking his famous fried chicken. If you say chicken the season, guys. I want to find just salt and black pepper. As long as it fry good. As long as it cook. We're not picky. We just don't want a raw chicken. So I don't have to cook any dinner tonight. Woohoo! Say hello. What kind of cartoon, Natalie?
Things to be green.
What's going on with what? With Jalen there?
Over there. You need to mention our channel.
Oh guys, this is my sister and they have a YouTube channel. You guys need to subscribe to it. Tell them your channel information.
My YouTube channel name is Jojo and Ali.
Just Jojo and Ali?
Yeah.
Guys, just type in.
It's spelled JojoAndAllie.
Jojo and Ali. Okay, so that's my little sister's channel. So make sure you guys go over there and show them some love, okay?
Oh, hi, frog.
Is that a bee inside here?
Oh, yeah.
What you forgot to shove on to look on the phone?
Ooh, you mean that's a wasp? I would get my behind me.
Papa, you have to pedal it, okay?
You have to pedal.
Both foot. You have to push it hard just like a bicycle. Push it forward. Okay, go backward with your foot. Jojo, that's my water.
Oh, sorry.
Go show him how to do it, Jojo.
Javon.
Look, Jovan, look. You have to move your foot.
Yeah. I already tried moving my foot. But it didn't work. Yeah,
Alright, go on, Penny. I'm going to show you. Let him go on it, Jojo.
Okay. Again.
Pedal it. Keep going. Go again.
Yeah, go, Javon, go.
Go. You have to press. Okay. It's not for you. It's not for you, but you can go on the swing. You can do the swing down there.
Why? Yeah.
Yeah.
But Mommy, it's only for. You can sit like here.
No, my booty is too big for that.
Oh. Maybe this one.
I like this.
Okay. I like this one.
Go push me. Go behind me and go push me.
Javon,
Yeah guys, I am back home from my parents' house. I was there chilling for the evening, and I just love how I had a very slow, uneventful day today. Sometimes it just has to be like that. So always making a mess. Yeah, sometimes it just has to be slow. Take it slow. You don't have to be home cooking and cleaning and taking care of kids. Just slow down, and that's what I did today, and it was well needed. Actually feel good. So I came home. I'm thirsty. I feel like I didn't drink enough water today. So I just came home, load up the dishwasher. I just came out the shower. Jalen is sleeping right now, and Javon is chilling with Dada in the living room. They're watching a movie. I think Javon is watching some video on his dad's phone. So I'm here having my little me time. So just bathed, and I'm working on my little skincare. As you guys know, I've been using the Medicube, so it's essentially the same thing. But yeah, I didn't have to cook today. I got dinner that my dad made. He did do some fried chicken, and I love his fried chicken. So yeah, he was talking about, oh, you didn't have a lot of seasoning left and it's not gonna be good, but it was good. It was very good. So I had fried chicken with 1 dumpling, 2 pieces of sweet potato. Okay, you know, a girl I try easy back for the big guaca food. So I had that, and now I'm home. Did bring home a plate for Siobhan. The kids ate. Well, Jalen just playing our food, but I brought it home so she can eat later if she's hungry. But she'll sleep now. I think she's probably just gonna sleep for the rest of the night. Hopefully. One can only hope. So yeah, I had bought some stuff off of Amazon because I mentioned it briefly in my last vlog that I've been into press-on nails because I want to give the nail salon a break. So these are the nails I have. This one is a week strong. All of them is still on, but my right hand is my dominant hand, and I lost 3. Yesterday it was 2, and just randomly I noticed that I lost another one. I didn't even know when it came off, but yeah. So we're down to only 2 on this hand. But I did go on Amazon and I ordered some stuff as an initial investment, because as I tell you guys, we're trying to save. We're trying to save some money. So yeah, in a little bit I'll show you guys. I'm just finishing up my little, you know, a little thingy, just moisturizer, final step. And like, I bought everything I needed to do my press-on nails at home except the glue. There's a specific glue that the girlies have been raving about, and I think it's very good because I used it. My friend has it and I used it, and it's pretty good. Like, this is on. I don't even know how I'm gonna get it off. I'm probably gonna have to soak it off or see if there's a remover or something. But I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I have. I'm so excited. You know, just a girl. I know Siobhan would look at me and just like probably roll his eyes, shake his head like, what is wrong with this girl? She keeps spending money saying she's trying to save, but this is an investment. Alright, so first thing I got this fast acting cuticle remover cream. This is when you're cleaning up your nail. You gotta clean up the cuticle, all of that. I bought some cuticle oil. This is a pack with, how much? 6 of them with 6 different flavors. I don't know. They're all different colors, so I'm thinking it's probably scented in 6 different scents. And then I use this brand, the Medallones. And this is the nail dehydrator and primer. So this is how these are looking. Fancy dancy. This is the primer. and the dehydrator. Of course, there's instruction you gotta read because literally I don't even know what I'm doing, but we will figure it out. We're young, we're smart, we're intelligent, we must can figure it out for the nails. And then you have this one, the same brand, the Medelones, but this is the base coat, the top gel, and builder gel. I don't even know the difference of these stuff, bro. I know top coat go up on the top, but what is base coat versus builder gel? I guess base you put on it first, builder gel second maybe. UV cure top coat, base coat. But this is how this is looking. Of course, I'm gonna go to TikTok University, of course. And I'll call my friend too because she's been doing it for a while. She knows what she's doing. She's a professional. And then I have this, the nail lamp. This seems as if it's battery operated. I'm not sure. Yeah, you literally have to plug it in for it to work. But I have a little plug right here. My husband made me a plug in my closet, so can just turn it on to however how long I want it. 60, 90 second, 120. So yeah, I got that here. And then some other stuff that you'll need that I already had before. I need a nail drill, which I have that right here. This is the drill with the different bits and stuff to clean your nails. Yeah. So I have all the tools and everything that I need. But yeah guys, I think that is it for now. I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I'm probably just gonna clean off my toenail because they're looking good. And I'm not gonna put it on camera. You guys are not gonna catch me slipping up. So I'm not gonna come on camera and show you guys my crusty toes. Next thing, gonna screenshot me. I'll make meme. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Just go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a friendly comment. Until the next time, bye.